The optimization at the moment, like there is a lot of false advertising out there.
Mhm.
And I know that a guy, Jared Gross, he's got a construction podcast as well. He's very big on calling everyone out about this. The numbers are there and they will work eventually, but at the moment, the numbers are not stacking up for everyone. Now, there's a few things that we need to fix for that to happen, and one of those is obviously we need to see more of these buildings built. Like at this stage, you still you're looking at like your 1970s computer industry, like the that's where we're at 3D printer wise in terms of construction. Like we're still sort of trying to work out how to build. You know, we're not at a stage at the moment which is like thriving as an industry. We're doing well. We're putting things together. Buildings are going up. They're starting to look really good. There's a lot of good innovations. The material science side of things is really progressing. The engineering and the regulation side is starting to catch up. Again, it's
Mm.
still not there. And that's kind of what's still driving costs up. So like in Australia, if we're trying to get a building certified, we actually have to go and get like your certificate of occupancy. But to get that, you need to have followed the building code correctly. Now, if you've got a new solution that you're trying to put into the building code, or you're trying to build in a new way, you need to have what's called a performance solution. I imagine there's probably something similar in the Canadian building code. And so for us, we've got to produce that, which involves more engineering costs, which offsets the cost of construction. So you end up netting out at roughly the same cost. You got a little bit of a benefit, but not the big benefit that should be there from this sort of technology. So although you get the speed, you're not necessarily getting the cost yet, but you are getting the speed side of things.